Is your bird molting right now? Did you know you can do a lot to help your little feathered friend? Molting is a physically demanding process that requires significant protein and nutrients to grow new feathers. This can lead to physical stress, discomfort, emotional stress, and making your bird less active and potentially moody. You can help by providing lots of fresh vegetables every day and cut out any sugars and fruits. A high protein supplementation is gonna help a lot. A bath or a good mist with a spray bottle will help the itchy skin and promote feather growth. And last but not least, provide 12 to 14 hours of sleep in a dark and quiet room. If your bird is hands-on and enjoys you preening it, look for those spiky pin feathers. Put them between your thumb and your pointer and try to break the keratin sheath. If you are like me and have shorter nails, just rub the pin feathers till the sheath comes off and you have the white dandruff coming off between your fingers. During this process, I recommend not to wear black. If your bird is not into you preening it, just give it a good head rub, which will help as well. If your bird is hands off, then just follow the steps in the beginning of this video. If your bird appreciates your help enough, it might return the favor. And if you have a green cheek conure, well, watch out. Okay, I gotta say I lucked out with Ruby. She has never bitten me once and yet still can be a little nippy, which is just common for conures. Also, they are advertised as great beginner birds because of their high attention demand and they are known to be quite bitey. I would not recommend them. If you don't already have some experience with owning birds, their scream can be quite ear-piercing, although their chatter is really cute. And some conures are great talkers, but a lot are like Ruby and most likely will never say a word. That's totally fine if you just enjoy their curious and silly nature, and their curiosity makes them very engaging for learning tricks. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.